I went to St. George's. Our campus is on the beach. We had an exam, so I got my anatomy book. I sat on this rock and I said, I'm going to do 30 questions, go for a lap, come back, 30 questions, go for a lap. And I did not put sunscreen. So I remembered in the exam, I could not move. Literally just doing the questions and, just answering the questions, but I was very sunburned. My name is Ahmed Shokry. I'm an internal medicine physician with Valley Medical Group. I'm a regional medical director for the primary care service line and a medical director for the care at home program. Growing up in Egypt, I always wanted to be a doctor, like many children over there. But if I were to say there's one moment that really made me feel this is the right thing for me, it'll take me back to college. I remember commuting back in New York City, and on the subway platform, I remember seeing this gentleman hold his chest and collapse on the floor. I rushed to his help and I performed CPR until the fire department came, the paramedics came. We were able to get a pulse back on him, intubated the gentleman. I remember walking him back to the ambulance, or walking with everyone back to the ambulance, and asking them to swipe me back into the train because I had already used my last swipe for that. But going home that day, I felt that this is my calling. This is what I'd like to do for the rest of my life. I see a lot of elderly patients. The really important thing we try to do is to weigh the benefits and the risks of all new interventions and trying to personalize the care to what their needs and their wishes are. I see them in their homes. I see their family pictures hanging on the walls. I see them when they're younger. I see their wedding pictures. I'd love for my patients to know that I'd love to spend some time learning about the values that are attached to those pictures. I love to travel, and I love to try coffee in every new place that I go to. The best coffee that I had was actually a Yemeni blend coffee in Egypt. Very small amount, but very, very thick coffee. And that was, and it had some cardamom in it. And that's the best coffee I've ever had. I love to swim. My last vacation, I was teaching my son how to swim, just trying to spend time, build core memories for them and for me, throwing the ball around, kicking it around, anything active to keep them running and just letting the time pass while I'm with them.